on the beat.
Just, why you gotta put your hat on?
I got a big head. What up, guys?
We both got big heads.
It's currently Friday. So last Friday,
We
what's
just
up?
had some lunch.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, subscribe, like the videos, check out all our old videos. But last Friday, I was heading home from work, and I seen a nice ass OBS truck at the corner of my eye. So it was for sale, and I thought to myself, you know what, fuck that.
Look at the
we
wheels.
don't need another truck or nothing. We don't need another truck or nothing. But I said,
Did you message me?
No, I said, fuck it. Let me just go ahead and go check out the truck. Let me see what they're asking for. It's probably way out of our budget, but let's go check it out. So I stopped in and looked at it, and I checked out the price, and I really couldn't believe it. So I think I called her.
Wait, the price was on there?
Yeah, it was on the windshield. It had a little paper.
Oh yeah.
So I called that guy immediately.
No, you called me first.
I called you first?
You called me first.
And I was like, yo, babe, oh yeah, I did call you first. I was like, yo, babe, there's this clean ass OBS. We ain't never gonna find another one like it. Like, we need to fucking buy this.
And then I was like, we have like 3 fucking trucks right now that we're working on to sell.
So anyways, I was like, man, we're never gonna find another truck this clean. So she's like, well, I don't even know what she said.
I said we have trucks right now that we're working on that we're trying to sell. I'm like, we have a lot going on. I was like, but if you really think it's worth it, then okay. And then so you send me pictures.
Okay, so here it is. Hold on, we're passing by it real quick.
New baby.
So I called the guy, right? It was Friday night. I figured, I have been working all day, so I figured the car has been sitting out there all day. It was probably already sold.
And then he was all freaking out. He's like,
no, I called the guy.
That shit's already gonna be sold or something.
I called the guy. I was like, hey, he didn't pick up. I left the voicemail. Hey, you know, I'm so-and-so. I'm interested in buying, you know, in your seat, in your step side. If you can please give me a call back. And I left my name and number. That's all I said. I didn't say I had money in my hand. I didn't say this, and that. I didn't say I'd give him more than what he was asking. That's all I said. So Saturday comes by. Well, Friday night, he never calls me back. I was bummed out. Saturday, I passed by.
And then all he was talking about the whole weekend was this damn truck. I'm like, bro, chill. If it's meant to be, it's meant to be, and that's it.
So Saturday comes, and I passed by the truck. It's still out there, for sale sign still out there. I didn't want to bug the guy. I didn't even call him back. I figured a truck that clean, it was probably already sold. So Saturday goes by, not a phone call. Sunday goes by, not a phone call. We're in Orlando at Cracker Barrel eating.
Oh yeah.
And I get a phone call from a New York number, and the first thing that came to my mind was like, oh shit, it's the OBS guy. For some reason, I mean, I didn't save the number or nothing, but I just recognized it. And then as soon as I thought New York, I was like, fuck, this truck's rusted out. It probably came from up north.
Yeah, so you guys be careful. If you didn't know, make sure to always check underneath on the trucks from up north, because usually they are rusted out.
If they're anywhere from Alabama up, I don't even look into them. So he calls me back. We're eating. He's like, hey, you know, you called about your truck, the truck. You still interested? And I'm like, holy shit, he still has it. So I'm like, yeah, you know, we're interested. You know, we're eating right now. Can I maybe look at it tomorrow or something? And as soon as I told him, like,
and that was the morning. So the next day we were taking off to St. Augustine, and so he looked at me. He was like, well, we had to take off. Man, we just had a lot of
I was like, what are we
going
gonna do? I'm like, we can't pass up on this deal.
And I was
man.
like, no, we're gonna have to leave later.
So as soon as I told the guy, like, I told the guy,
these jerks, did you see where they left the packages? Somebody could have stole that.
That's some bullshit, bro. Look at
fucking Target.
Look at it. Literally on the side of the street. So as soon as I told the guy, I was like, let me think of a time that I can meet you. And he kind of sounded like he was like, nah, I got somebody else lined up.
Did you run over the boxes? Oh.
So I told him I'll be there first thing in the morning. I'll be there at 8 o'clock. I'll meet you there. So we get there at 8. He's there on time, and he's looking at it, or I'm looking at it, because it was locked behind the gate. So it's the first time I can look at it, and I'll put these clips next. But man, this truck was clean. So as soon as I looked at it, I went back to her. I was like, yo, we're buying this. And I'm like, we're going to pay you if we have to.
No, you said, what do you think?
No, I was like, like, it's worth every bit of what he's asking.
So then I got off. And
so me thinking it's an up north truck, I was looking everywhere, underneath it, everywhere there's no rust. Turns out it was a southern truck. It was a Florida truck. So the guy gets there, I'm talking to him, and he's like, so what you thinking? I'm like, man, I'm thinking I got, should we tell him the price or not? I'm like, I got this. I'm like, I got almost what you're asking in my truck. I'm like, would you be willing to take that? And he's like, nope. He's like, it's worth every bit of what I'm asking. He's like, honestly, if I wouldn't have got so many phone calls over the weekend, I probably would have taken less.
There are some things that it needs. So, like, there's just, like,
hold on. Before that, he called me. Whenever he called me, he's like, hey, I'm sorry, I've been busy all weekend. And, but I'm just not getting to the phone. And you're the first person that called and left a message. So you're the first person I'm calling back. I got so many messages I haven't even gotten to. So then fast forward, so I told him, I'm like, you know, it's worth every bit of what you're asking. He's like, well, as soon as the title gets here, it's yours if you want. So I was like, look, I'll give you what I have.
Also, don't mind the bag. Sorry, the bag. I just saw the bag. The bag is full of blankets from the trip.
So I was like, I told the guy, I'm like, as soon as you, I'm like, look, I'll give you what I have right now, which is pretty much almost what he was asking. And as soon as the title gets here, you know, I'll give you the rest of it. I'm not going to try to talk you down. It's worth way more than that. He's like, I know it.
So, wait, baby, you're taking kind of long. Okay, so long story short, I got up, took a look at it, and he has the title coming in the mail, so we're waiting on that.
No, the point is that it was meant to be, because I guess I was the first one to call, and we kind of slid in there, and people were calling him all weekend offering more than what he was asking, and it was worth it.
And I told him, if it's meant to be, it's meant to be, and then
so then a lot of phone calls, but you slid in there, so you know, I'm a man of my word. So appreciate everybody that's a man of their word. I can appreciate this old guy, and I appreciate he's a man of his word.
And it's funny because if you don't know my husband is a man of his word. He's the same exact way. If he already tells somebody a certain price, like, that's it. He's not gonna go for the next person.
Be higher. I'll eat it rather than somebody be.
So, you know, your good karma eventually comes around, and it did.
So right now we're waiting to pick up a 1993 OBS, one of the cleanest truck I've ever owned. I never owned a new truck.
So this red truck that you saw here, this truck is actually my grandpa's. He tried giving it to me a couple years ago, but I didn't want it. I took another truck.
This is before me, though.
What did he give me?
We got a Cutlass. It was a Cutlass.
No, the other one, the black truck.
Oh, we got a K10.
So,
we got another K10.
That's gonna be my project, the K10. I'm gonna work on that. I'm supposed to be pulling it over here.
Single cab, short bed, power, everything.
Really nice. So yeah.
Back to the story, though.
Anyways, my bad.
So we're the new owners of a 93 OBS. Probably the cleanest truck, man. One of the cleanest trucks in the area. Unmolested. Everything stock. AC turned on, 4-wheel drive, so we're happy as hell. So thank you for checking out this video. So we'll throw the other clips in here. I just wanted to tell y'all about the truck before we go get it.
We have some things coming.
So another thing that's funny, yeah, like she's about to get.
Wait, what's funny?
About the OBS, how it all worked out with the t-shirt.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so we've been working with the designer and stuff, and we revamped our brand. So our brand is SiempreTumbado. So, you know, last year we started this brand, and
if you go to our old vlogs, some of our first vlogs, we're wearing it in the old vlogs.
Yeah, and we trademarked it and everything, and now we have new logos, so I'm trademarking those. So pretty much, we're really excited because we're like, it looks really nice. Like, our logo came out really nice. The designer definitely revamped it the way that we wanted it to, make it pop out 3D. So we have some shirts coming. We have new decals coming, vinyl cut stickers, everything. If you check out our page, maybe he'll add it here. It's at SiempreTumbado. Well, it's SiempreTumbado. So these are some of the vinyl cut stickers. So it is a little revamped. As you can see, it's more like that 3D-ish look. We added like some little eyebrows and like like some cheeks. Where's the other design?
Those are sold. I already mailed those off.
We have colored ones coming as well, and then shirts coming. We have so, you know, our shirts, I say it's unisex. Like, I don't know if you girls do this, if any girls are watching, but I wear my man shirts all the time.
Yeah, bro, that's why I ain't got any.
Shut up. So I use them at the gym, whatever. So anyway, so our shirts are unisex, right? But I'm actually coming out with a girls line specifically. So y'all wait on that because that's just gonna be popping. I'm really excited because we've been working on this like all last year, and now we're finally bringing it to you guys, bringing it out to life. And it's gonna be in phases. So the first shirts that we're dropping, they're already on our page. Those are like the performance Columbia style shirts. So those are gonna be that, you know, like that dry fit. Those are perfect, I feel like, for spring, summer, fishing. So we have the long sleeves coming out. I'm gonna be rocking them. But you know, like I said, they're unisex. So we have two different designs, and I'm gonna go ahead and let you know what our designs are. So one of them, we have Slappy the Pelican. So if you guys don't know what that is, I don't know what to tell you, but it pretty much, we designed our own pelican with the Florida, can I tell them? So this is the tattoo. So it doesn't look, our pelican design doesn't look just like that. It looks different. You'll see it on our website.
I've been having this for a couple of years now. That's where the original idea came from.
So the Florida is wax. If you guys don't know what wax is, now you know. So it's Florida shaped, but it's supposed to be wax, like melting. And then our hog leg shirt, that one has
a hog blowing on a hog leg.
Yeah, a hog blowing on a hog leg, to keep it in layman's terms. So just check out the shirts, man. We have some different ones coming out. We have one with an OBS coming out in the back, I talked it into like what is it called? I talked it into existence. Like it was funny. Okay, go ahead. Tell me.
We talked it into existence. We had this when we were doing our shirts. We designed this OBS shirt.
I talked it into existence.
We designed this OBS shirt. It's gonna have the SiempreTumbado in the front. Well, it has the SiempreTumbado in the front. It's gonna have an OBS design in the back. And we did this before we even found this OBS. So it kind of, and it's a step side too.
So he was like, no, I don't want to put the OBS. And I was like, bro,
I don't want to put a truck. I was gonna put the Trailblazer on there because I didn't want to put a truck that I did.
Not
shout out to my dog Ruben, Los Amigos.
Oh yeah, shout out to Los Amigos.
My old neighbor.
Our neighbor. You've worked on so many trucks. We've owned so many trucks that we've sold. So like, why are you not wanting to put the OBS? I'm like, watch, we're gonna end up buying one soon anyways. And then it was just so funny. Like, we freaking bought one, and I just
2 weeks later it was
like
fun.
Literally
and we weren't even looking for a truck. It's the fact that I didn't want to pass up on this truck.
So that's the next shirt that we're coming out with. It's gonna be a cotton t-shirt. It's not gonna be that dry fit. And actually, I am going to be coming out with, we are going to be coming out with the cotton short sleeve t-shirts versions of the performance shirts, if you guys understood me. But anyways, just wait on everything else that's coming. It's really exciting. We also sponsored somebody for Bandas y Trocas in April. I'm pretty
we might go out there. I don't know yet.
We don't know yet.
We just got a lot of shit going on. There's so much shit that I don't know if we can.
But we did sponsor somebody out there, so shout out to, should we?
No, we ain't gonna plug them in yet because I don't know if it's okay. But we're gonna have our merch out there in Texas. So once everything's good, so y'all stay tuned for that. I'll put the plug probably in the next video.
Well, I think he does because he said something about putting his giveaway out there because we're actually gonna be putting some stuff in his giveaway.
I don't know.
We'll check with
I'll
him.
put it on there just for now. It's Florida State Trucking, and if anything, I'll cut it out. But yeah, we're sponsoring Florida State Trucking on
where's my phone? Is your phone dying?
No, but there's just not enough room. That's why I didn't use it. It's Florida State Trucking. They're out of Fort Myers, South Florida, and they reached out to us. They're like a legit.
We've been talking. I mean, you've been.
Yeah,
talking.
I've been talking to him since last year for a while now. He's been reaching out. He's real cool. He's reached out to me on paint jobs and stuff.
So it's FLS_TRUCKIN.
We'll put it right here.
Florida _trucking. So really cool guys.
So I've been talking with him for a while. We've been reaching out to each other for a long time, and he got a booth at Bandas y Trocas, and he reached out to us saying that if we would like to sponsor him for it. Well, for the tent, I guess, and our
logo's gonna be on there.
Our logo's gonna be on the tent, so look out for that.
We haven't told him yet, but we're probably gonna give him like colored stickers or whatever.
Yeah, so all our stuff's gonna be available out there. So if y'all out there in Texas and y'all like this brand,
interiors flawless, forward drive.
Cop it out there.
Oh yeah,
And if y'all want to stay up to date on stuff and on that, Bandas y Trocas, go to Spray by Row on Instagram and SiempreTumbado on Instagram.
And SiempreTumbado, like I said, we already have a lot of stuff lined up. It's just coming out in phases. So our stuff's lined up. It's just we don't want to come out with everything at once. We just want to do it kind of in phases. So
get it going, get it in, get it out.
First 2 designs are up. And honestly, we already have a lot of people that reached out to us for those shirts, so they're pretty much like sold out, kind of.
Yeah.
But anyways, yeah, check it out, guys. Thank you for listening to us.
So this is just pretty much an update on what we've been going on and the brand, and then also this OBS. So this next video is going to be just a actual video of just the OBS. So stay tuned for the next video if you want to see it in close up or whatever.
See, señor.
SIEMPRE on the beat.